Have you heard the news? It's Gary's Food Reviews. Tasting chomps and juice. Puts it on YouTube. A certified palate, second to none. Come watch Gary, let's have some fun. An overall rating from 10 to 1. It's Gary's Food Reviews.
Hello, and welcome to another episode in Gary's Food Review. I'm going to try microwave pork rinds. So let's open this up and put it in the microwave and give it a try. Let's put this in. And only going to put it in for about a minute. It's not going to pop up like popcorn. You just want to heat it up, so 1 minute should be good. Check it out. So about 1 or 2 minutes in the microwave should do it. And it should pop up like this. Let's give this a try. Not bad. Yeah, I'm not really a big pork rind fan, but these aren't too bad. Really salty, has a decent taste, nice and warm because of the microwave, so can't beat that. Tastes just like other pork rinds, but being microwavable, these are not bad at all. Yeah, really salty, greasy, just like bacon, similar to bacon mixed in with pork rinds. So the salty and greasy taste to this is very similar to bacon with that pork rind aftertaste. Yeah, they're good for what they are. Microwave pork rinds, can't beat that. So with that said, overall, on the food taste scale overall, I have to give the microwave pork rinds a 7 out of 10. They're good. Like I said, I'm not a big pork rinds fan, but they're still enjoyable. Anyways, this is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, catch you all later. Bye-bye.